Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to bring you 75 very useful sentences that you can use in your daily English conversation. These sentences will help you to speak English faster. Let's begin. How are you? How is everything? It's nice to meet you. Good to see you. Have a nice day. See you. See you soon. Catch you later. Stay in touch. How much for this? Where is the changing room? Do you have something less expensive? Do you have this item in stock? Have you got this t-shirt in a smaller size? Is it okay if I use your umbrella? Can I borrow your pen? Can I have a copy of this letter? Could you do me a favor? Yes, no problem. Please do. Sure, go ahead. That's fine. How about taking a walk? What about going to the movie tonight? Yes, I'd like to. Yes, I'd love to. Yes, I feel like taking a walk. What a good idea. No, let's not. I don't feel like it. I dislike going for a walk. Can I add something here? May I interrupt for a second? Can I just mention something? I'm looking for this address. Is it far? Could you tell me how to get to the bus station? Where is the nearest post office? Could you direct me to? Go straight ahead. Turn left. It's on your left. It's on your right. It's about 100 meters from here. You are going in the wrong direction. Hang on a moment. Just a moment, please. Where have you been? We started 15 minutes ago. Don't let it happen again. Could you please repeat that? Would you mind repeating that? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can I call you back later? So, is there anything else? Actually, there is just one more thing. What are you doing on Saturday? Would you like to come? Will you join us for tea? Do you want to see a movie? You did that very well. Keep up the good work. This soup is delicious. I'm full. I brought some snacks. I don't think so. I beg to differ. That's not how I see it. That's a good point. You are right. That's true. I was just going to say that. Our thoughts are parallel. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.